Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Starlink Wi-Fi not showing up, SSID, bypass mode, reset and app checks. If your Starlink Wi-Fi network SSID has suddenly disappeared from your device's network list, it is usually caused by active bypass mode, a software glitch or a loose connection cable. You can resolve this issue quickly by forcing your router out of its hidden state or restoring it to default settings. Fix 1. Perform a manual factory reset. For Gen C router, standard V4. Locate the back of the router and remove the rubber cable cover. And find the small pinhole reset button located between the two built-in Ethernet ports. Now use a straightened paper clip or SIM ejector tool to press the button briefly. Now the front light will flash rapidly, indicating it is rebooting into setup mode. For Gen 2 router, standard actuated. This hardware generation does not have a physical button. So unplug the router's power cable from the wall outlet, then wait for 2 to 3 seconds and plug it back in. Repeat this process 6 times in rapid succession. Then leave it plugged in after the sixth cycle. The light on the bottom will illuminate solid white when successfully reset. For Starlink Mini, find the reset icon located on the back of the Mini unit. Then press down firmly on the button until you hear a click and hold it down for 3 seconds. The LED indicator will flash quickly and then shut off when the reset is complete. Fix 2. Check app diagnostics and hardware connections. First, inspect the custom proprietary plugs. Completely unplug and reseat both ends of the main cable at the router base and at the outdoor dish. A loose fit by even a millimeter can fail to power up the Wi-Fi transmission elements. Next, use cellular data for app access. Disconnect your phone from Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data. Then open the Starlink app. If you are signed into your account, check the main page status. If it says disconnected or Starlink unplugged, the router is not talking to the dish, which often stops the local Wi-Fi from initiating. Fix 3. Create your new network name. Connect directly to the open network named Starlink. Open the Starlink app, which will immediately prompt you with a configuration window. Then type in your preferred custom network name, SSID, and a strong password. Now save the configuration and reconnect all your household devices to the newly established signal. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.